Let's explore the database migration service for heterogeneous migration architecture. On-premises Oracle database serves as the migration source with existing schema and production data. AWS SCT analyzes Oracle schema and converts database objects and PL or SQL code to PostgreSQL equivalents. DMS performs full-load data migration and continuous change data capture replication to keep targets synchronized. Aurora PostgreSQL receives converted schema and migrated data as the fully managed target database. And that completes the walkthrough.